Today I'm going to teach you using Arsslan-cms on how to make your video player, and that totally depends on free or commercial. So let's go and check out the player gallery. So this is the player gallery, and these are the skins from which you can choose on. Now notice that in which it's written $25, so this means you have to pay for this specific skin, and these are basically the commercial skins. And if you want to see, you can come over here and select an option for non-commercial and submit, and then it will show you those skins which are being free to use. So these are the skins which are free to use. These are free to use forever in life. And so let's get started in how to make our players. We'll go on players, and we'll click on free players. And I have already submitted 2 players which I have made previously. So we will make new player, and the same process will be done in when it comes to commercial player. But the only difference is this, that notice that in this non-commercial player, you don't get to insert ads. Here you don't see any ads. You do have to an option to select your skins from the list of free skins, and you have other options as well. You can also attach your logo, but it doesn't give you any option to paste your advertisement in it, which is in form of banner or other stuff. So if you go to commercial player, if you want to submit a commercial player, and if you go on it, like I have already done one, so I'm just going to click on edit and show you that what it's now as you can see that, we are having, this is the player that we have made, and if I click play on it, so this is the skin, this is the type of play button which I want. And now you can notice that if you come down, it also gives us the option of video play watermark, and here we can choose whatever we want. We can choose image, SWF, or video as watermark. We can choose watermark file URL. We can choose watermark caption. We can choose watermark click URL, where it will go when clicking on that watermark, and it will we can also choose the position of the watermark, like top right, top left, top center, left, and then it goes on. Watermark click target is blank. This is also you can set, and you can even set the transparency. Now that comes the second area, and that's video player advertisement. Now you can choose the full screen advertisement type, and then again in SWF and video, and then add file URL. You can insert the URL of the file where you want to paste, which you want to serve as an ad, and this full screen caption, like what you want when the full screen ad is being played. This is basically useful for SEO purpose. This doesn't have to when the ad is being showing up. And then it comes to full screen and full screen position. This position is something that what you want in the start, mid, and after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes, and then it goes on. So in which position you set, on that position the ad will appear in the full screen. And this full screen duration, you can set the full screen duration ad. Like if you want 1 second, then the ad will appear only on for 1 second, and then it will go off. If you want 2, then it will be appeared on for 2 seconds, and then it will disappear. If you want 3, then it will appear for 3 seconds, and then it will disappear. This is the full screen ad, fade in and fade out. Enable, and you can also select that enable side bottom. You can also even select the side and bottom ads. So if you want yes, then you can yes, and if you want no, this will show you on later. And you can also even select the player bottom ad URL and the player side ad URL, and navigate at the end URL. And this is the banner ad which you can set, and like for instance, this banner ad is you can also select in image, SWF, for video. So let's so you have to play with it, and once you play with it, then you will understand that what it does and how it does. So since we have already made this player, so and I have already gave you an overall look that how it works and all, and so let's get started by making a free player and click new. And selecting now I have to give this a player title, and this title is going to be just for my reference. It's not going to be just for my knowledge, just for my reference. Like for instance, when I will be choosing a player with my video, so what player do I want to play with a specific video? So when it comes to that, I will have to select this will help me out. So I'm going to give this a title, player let's give it 2, and then player skin, uh, I don't know what skin looks like what, so I'm going to have here, and I'm going to choose from, I want this one. Okay, so this is colorful, and I will be waiting for colorful. Okay, now do I want my player over movie? Yes. I want to player hide? Yes. I want to show player? Yes. I want my player panel color. Well, you can change your player panel color in some skins, and in some skins you cannot. And I want to keep the aspect ratio. Yes. I want to player auto hide. Yes. And uh, I want to auto rewind. No. And buffer time is 5, and logo let's make it 10. And fixed attachment scroll, I would like to make it scroll, and player logo URL. Now this is the URL of the logo, you will have to insert it, and this is the player background. So I want the player background to be black, and I want my player logo to be appear on the left. So I will go over here, and I'm going to just take the copy link, copy image URL, and this is, I'm just going to show you this as an example. You can go and paste any URL you want to paste, so that totally doesn't make any difference. So I'm just going to come over here and paste, and then logo position is the left and position is right top. Logo repeat, no. My big play should be MIDI player. This is basically the play button which comes in between of a player, and player button align, I want it to be center. Player bottom border width, I want it to be 30 pixels, and player align, I want it to be aligned bottom. And auto hide, what it does, set whether load the movie automatically or not. Yeah, I want to load the movie automatically. No, I don't want to load the movie automatically. And now full screen button, no, I want full screen button. I want mute button. I want progress bar. I want stop button, and I want time text. And pause at first frame. Yes, I do want to pause it in first frame. And preloader. I want preloader to be selected in. Let's select loop. This one. And show replay, yes, I want to show replay. And what's the text for the replay? This. And top border width, I want to set it to 50 pixels. Now note, in free player, when you set the top border width, on that only your logo, your watermark will be visible. Besides that, if you set it to 0, your watermark will not be visible. So just keep this thing in mind, that once when you're going to set up your player, you have to set it on whatever you want to, because only whatever you want to set it, that has to match the size of the logo of the watermark of your player. Because if it's of less size, then your logo will show smaller, and if you selected 0, then it won't show at all. So let's go ahead and select 50 and select no volume color bar. No, I want volume color bar, and now submit. See, now the player is done. This is the logo, but since the logo is big, so that's why it's showing big. If the logo is small, then it will be showing small. So you can paste any size of logo. And since I selected on the top left, so it's on the top left, and I selected the, so you notice that this button, this thing is different because this is a Windows Media style type button which is being made as play, and this is the my player skin. So, and now I can go ahead and select that I want to add a video, and if I click on it, then it will let me add a video. So it's just and then when we click over here and we select the video URL, and then we can select over here the player. See, I gave player 2, now I can select player 2. So just go ahead and play around. I'm just going to go back and make you one thing more clear. See, this is full screen button, and since I selected that I want everything to be visible, so everything is visible over here. So log into Arsslan, and if you have any issues and all, just go and visit Arsslan forum. Thank you for watching my video, and please support Arsslan CMS in every possible way, and try it. It's very good, and it's very good. Thank you for watching video. Take care. Bye bye.